Welcome, beautiful soul, to this sacred space as we deepen into this week's guided meditation. Take a moment to get comfortable, whether you're seated or lying down. Allow your body to soften into the surface beneath you, releasing any tension or stress from the day. Close your eyes and bring awareness to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this together. Breathe in deeply and release. Again, breathe in deep and let it go. One more time. Breathing in faith and trust and exhaling any resistance. Now allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into the present moment, feeling safe, supported, and held by the universe. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. These roots ground you, anchoring you into the present and connecting you to the abundant energy of the Mother Earth. Feel her support. Feel her nourishment. Know that you are held. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Visualize a soft, warm, glowing light, a light of faith, trust, and possibility. With each inhale, this light grows brighter. With each exhale, it radiates outward, filling your entire body. This is your connection to the universe, to the infinite love and wisdom that surrounds you. Repeat silently or aloud. I trust the universe knows my heart. I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for my highest good. I am supported. I am safe. I am held. Feel the truth of these words resonate in your heart. Allow this light of faith to expand even further, wrapping you in a cocoon of peace and certainty. Now bring your awareness to your entire being, your body, mind, and spirit. Imagine yourself as the most loving, supportive partner you could ever have. Visualize yourself standing before you as your highest, most radiant self. This version of you is filled with love, devotion, and unwavering belief in your worth. See your higher self place their hands on your shoulders, looking into your eyes with so much compassion and care. Hear them say, "I am here for you. I love you. I believe in you. Together we will create the life you desire." Feel this devotion pouring into you, filling every cell of your being. Take a few breaths to let this love settle into your heart, anchoring you into the truth that you are your own greatest support system. Take a moment to whisper silently or aloud, "I am devoted to my dreams. I am devoted to my growth. I am devoted to myself." With each repetition, feel your self-discipline transforming into an act of self-love. Now bring your attention to something you've been holding on to. An outcome, a fear, or a desire that feels heavy. Visualize it as a small orb of light resting in your hands. This orb represents everything you've been trying to control. Notice its weight, its warmth, its energy. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself gently releasing this orb into the sky. Watch as it floats higher and higher, carried by the winds of the universe. As it disappears from sight, repeat silently or aloud, "I release this to the universe. I trust that it will return to me in divine timing and in the perfect way." Feel the lightness in your body as you let go. Trust that the universe has received your offering and is working on your behalf. Take a few moments to come back to your breath, noticing its natural rhythm. Feel your body grounded and supported, your heart open, and your mind at ease. Before we close, place your hands over your heart and repeat silently or aloud, "I am safe. I am loved. I am aligned with the flow of the universe. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. Slowly open your eyes, returning to this sacred space, feeling refreshed, grounded, and deeply connected to yourself and the universe. Until next time, breathe deep and plan on miracles. Namaste.